Here we've got Samsung Galaxy J5 from 2016, and let me show you how to change the language on the following device. So first of all, you have to open the list of all apps, then find and select the settings. And now you have to locate and open General Management. Now click on Language and Input, and here the first tab is Language, so click on it. And if you will click on Add Language, you will be able to check the whole languages list. Here you've got it. So as you can see, it's pretty wide, pretty long, so you will definitely find something suitable. And let me pick, for example, Croatian. Then select the region, so let me pick Croatia, and then click on Set as Default. And as you can see now, your whole device is in Croatian, so you can smoothly use it in this language. And then whenever you would like to change it again, if you would like to go back to English or maybe pick another language, just pick Languages and Input, go to the languages, and you can either add language the way that we did it with Croatian, or you can remove unnecessary language and go back to your previous language. To do it, just tap on Remove, mark the language that you would like to get rid of, tap on Remove, and confirm it. And that's it. As you can see, now you are back in English. So thanks for watching, please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.